Reggae vibes. Think no easy. I go on good. You hear that? Beres say, bop, bop.
Straight up, moving up resistance. Yes.
Reggae vibes leader.
I wish you would stay longer. Right up my life. I wish you would stay longer. Just like magic, you're gone. Hey, what's the button? Now wait. You might chill out a little bit because hey, never one more for you. Hey, you saw it no more time. Honey, now me work. Right now me never make it. I don't saw it no more time. Your eyes on me, just let it run out of her. Thought I could live without it. Thought I recognized so nothing special about you. Still you're clear in my mind. I used to pay you were the last. Presently you was falling because I put my life. And it was yesterday. Saw you down the lane. You were my heart left a bit. And now I'm falling in love over again. I'm glad that you are right now I'm falling in love over again. I'm glad that you are. Oh, na 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 na. Did you know that love me? Never to say that you're sorry. How could you hurt someone you love so well? Just like you did. Just like you don't give a damn. No, no, no.
Bojo and Beres really, you know what I mean, make me feel proud say me the reggae producer. Yeah man. You know what I mean, I produce a couple songs with Bojo, never produce one with Beres, but me had the most dub played with Beres.
Magic. No one ever will understand it. Way the system plan. There's no hope, no chance, no loophole, no escape for a suffering man. Cause every time I get mad about water, try to save myself from drown. There is an overnight scheme all worked out, designed to keep me down. Straight up, moving up resistance. Yes. Jamaica, putting up resistance. I'm gonna work it out. Jamaica, cool and down, love in the glow. Wanna stay up tonight. Love to spend time with my family. Staying home and be right. So there's a place that I feel. Every night I'm going out. Bringing my back to my love and down. Let us
up the intimate concert, big up Red Stripe, big up Champagne, my stylist, and big up Anthony B. The concert, yes, that concert in Queens, New York. Yeah, man.
Oh, what a night. What a night, what a night, what a night. Intimate. Feels good when you're rocking, dancing to brothers. Feel good. Just to with me, need the progress, need the light. Dancing to the song. Feel good. I feel good. Perfume is a style. Only I can come back.